Alright folks, the Junkman coming at you with another do-it-yourself. This time we're going to show folks how to read your VAT key. That's VAT, VAT, as in vehicle anti-theft. You'll notice, or you'll know it as one of the keys with the chips in them. Okay, now this particular key happens to be a dual-sided VAT key in that, dude, you're all up in my do-it-yourself, man. You got to move out the way. Alright, okay. You'll notice that it has a chip on both sides. See that? That's called a dual-sided VAT key. So when you buy a replacement key, you need to make sure that you buy a dual VAT key to replace it with. Chip on both sides. Now I can basically get these keys for about $5.50 a piece, whereas a lot of folks go to the dealer and pay $130 for them. I'm like, if y'all got that kind of money to burn, then come visit me and deposit some of that in my bank account. But okay, basically here's how we're going to measure this. Let me get in here a little closer so you can see. You'll notice that the center of the VAT has this little slit in it of metal. You're going to measure the multimeter from this side to this side. Alright? Dude, you're all up in my do-it-yourself again. You're going to have to move, alright? You ain't going to get to hang out if you keep doing that, okay? Alright, here we go. One more time. From this side to that side. Alright? So, we're going to do that. And it's a little tricky to do, so I'm going to put the key here where you can see me actually perform this little trick. I'm going to put the multimeter leads on both sides of the key on the silver there. And notice I am getting a reading of 680. Let's hold it still there. 680. Now, I know that that is a number 3 VAT key. A number 3 VAT key has a reading of 681 to be ideal, with a high of 728 and a low of 654. So if it falls between 654 and 728, then I know that it is a good reading for a 680 VAT key, number 3. Okay, that's basically all it is to it. You take a reading, go order yourself some keys. You can, like I said, I can get them for $5.50 all day long, and then take it down to your local locksmith, not your hardware store where you got everybody grinding keys out at that place. You want to go to a locksmith where they take care of their equipment. Go to a locksmith, have them cut it for $2. For less than $10, you've got yourself a spare key to your ride. Again, double-sided VATs, a chip on both sides, or a chip through the key. I don't know which one it is, but it's on both sides. And a single-sided VAT would be a chip only on one side. Okay? That's basically all it is to it. Read yourself a VAT key and go order yourself some so that you can have spare keys to your car. Alright, that's the Junkman. I'm going to sign out, and before we go, we want to let Smokey do her candid appearance that she wants to be all on camera. Say hi to him, Smoke. I'm Smokey. Alright, get out of here.